This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Notion Desktop on a Mac. So how do you get it on your Mac? First things first, I do have an offer in the video description. I have an affiliate link there. If you click my link, you will find yourself on this page or a very similar page, depending on how Notion change their pages over time. And what you will have there is a free offer for 30 days. Actually, I'll show you what that link will look like. It will look at what the page will look like. So essentially, if you click my link, you'll find yourself on this very page. You will be able to get a 30-day plus plan trial. So it's a completely free trial. The important thing here is no credit card is required. So you're not going to take any kind of banking or payment details or anything like that. You can check out this free plan of Notion Plus. See if it is for you. No pressure. If it isn't for you, you can just stick around on the free plan. And you don't even need to cancel because I'm not even taking any credit card information, so you're not even going to be charged, completely risk-free. So I advise you to check that out. But over here, you can easily download the Notion desktop version for Mac. You can see right here, notion.com/desktop to find that. So all you're going to do is you're going to hit download right here, and that will fly up. As you can see in the corner, that's the universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. That will go to your downloads folder. I'm here on Google Chrome, so it saves directly to the downloads folder. So check out my link, get that free trial. You'll be redirected to this official Notion page here. You can get that free trial. Highly advise that you check it out. And there's no pressure to continue. Like I say, you can just stick around on that free plan if you want to. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.